Right, hello people, it's the Urban Cook again. What I'm going to do today is a really nice chicken casserole with some chicken thighs, like boned, we can take the skins off, and potatoes, onion, some spring onions, a couple of carrots, some long grain rice, salt and pepper, cream of mushroom soup, bit of olive oil, chicken stock, I think I said garlic, but garlic. So what I'm going to do is get all these sorted. Yes! And we'll get cracking. See you in a minute. Right, we've got our potatoes on the old mandolin. Just going to give it slice these in. Next one. It's good, these things, but they're bloody lethal. Our carrots. And our onion. Superb. So we'll let them get the starch out of the potatoes and everything. Rinse them off, and we'll be back in a minute. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. Just chop these up finely. Right, we're back. I haven't got a casserole dish, but I'll have to use this tin instead. So, just going to put a bit of, hopefully it'll come out, pretty good, won't it? A little bit of olive oil in the bottom. We're going to get our potatoes and carrots out first. They've been soaking. Nice little layer in the bottom. A few stray onions. That'll do. Nice little layer. And a few more. So that's that. We've got our, put that to one side a minute. Got our stock. Our cream mushroom soup. Blend that together. Now we're going to bring this back and we're going to add 3/4 cup of rice, add our stock and cream and mushroom soup mixture, gonna add our garlic, and the rest of our onions and what's left of our veggies. Get our breast chicken thighs, took the skins off and put these in here. Nestle them down inside there. Like that. Add a bit more water to that one. Have a tad more olive oil on the top. Nice bit of pepper. Salt. And finally some spring onions chopped over the top. And we'll cover that with tin foil, put it in the oven for about an hour, hour and a half until the chicken's cooked and the rice is tender. And we'll be back and we'll have a little plate up. Cheers. Right, we're back. What we're going to do, I'm going to pull this out of the oven. See how this is doing. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, that's lovely. We'll get this out and we'll have a little plate up. Well, there you go, guys. Chicken casserole with rice, potatoes, carrots, onions, bit of stock with mushroom soup and spring onions. So this is going to be really tasty. I know it is. So please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.